All right, welcome. Today we're going to talk about maybe customer perception, some things just to help you along in this business. Generally, when cars roll into your shop or vehicles, there's two types. One type is like we have here. It's a pretty clean vehicle. When you look inside, there's no trash all over. It looks like the customer keeps it very clean. The outside is nice and clean. So Transtar has a product for that. It's the 5-in-1. Again, it has a seat cover, a floor mat, a steering wheel cover, and two tubes. One you can use on the park and brake and the shifter. One you could use maybe on a door handle in the shifter. Again, when the customer sees you come out with this, it gives them faith that you're going to take care of their car because you did it right from the get-go. Again, this is a great thing. Sometimes you're in a rush, don't get to wipe your hands, you just use a rag, you touch the steering wheel. Now the customer gets in it, and nothing will make a customer madder. Well, there are other things, but nothing will make a customer madder than touching the steering wheel and getting their hand dirty. So again, this is a nice 5-in-1 pack. We also carry just seat covers and floor mats by themselves, but this is overall protection. So when I mentioned there were two types of cars, you've seen the one type, customer takes care of their cars, clean on the outside, clean on the inside, and yes, you want to watch that one. Then the second type of car is pretty much the exact opposite. It's the one that you might have to protect yourself from. So again, on that type of car, you might want this just to protect you, but Transtar also has products for that, and it's our Paragon brand. And what this is, an alcohol sanitizer, professional strength, because you never know what's in that car. And again, this is about your protection. The other nice thing about this is you can clean doorknobs, door handles, countertops, and again, people are a little bit different today than they were, so when they see you sanitizing, it gives them a feel of comfort. And again, that's about the whole thing of having a customer in your shop. You want them comfortable with you, the services you're providing, how you're going to treat their vehicle, and other things. Again, it's a trust factor. So we have this, and that's a great sanitizer. We also have hand sanitizer. We have a hand sanitizer liquid, a hand sanitizer gel. So just having one on your counter, you go up, you shake hands. If they do, they don't. You always have this, give a little bit of that. Again, it's a comfort feeling. Again, you buy the little one, you can buy a larger refill for it. So, you just keep filling it. You don't need a bunch of the little ones. Again, it's just a comfort factor for your customer. It builds trust. You're going to keep their car clean. Your place is clean. You're sanitized. And again, being mechanics is one of the toughest things to do because you're necessarily in where the grime and grease are. You can go to transcend.us. You can visit our website, transtar1.com. Or as always, you could call your sales rep. Again, protect yourself, make your customers trust you, keep things clean. Thank you for watching.